911, what is your emergency?
Hi, I had someone broke into this apartment, and he has a knife, and he's threatening my kid's mother.
Okay, and he's there right now?
Yes, he's in the house, and he has a knife in his hand.
Okay, what's the address there?
Get the fuck off of her.
What unit are you guys in?
Unit.
Okay. We have officers
Yeah,
on the way, okay?
Yeah, he grabbed the knife out of the drawer and get off of her.
Okay.
Get the fuck off of
we
her.
Have
I need you guys.
on the way.
I need you guys to hurry up.
Sir, we have them on the way. None of this is going to delay anything, okay?
He drives a blue Toyota Tacoma.
Perfect. Okay, do you know the license plate?
Oh, there's the truck. 68 Paul, we're going to be in pursuit. He's reversing away from us. Blue Tacoma, lifted, large wheels. Has Tacoma on the... In the car, let's go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Let me see your fucking hands!